Hello, my dear children. Today in English, we are going to learn lesson number 6. It's only a matter of practice. So, this story is from a country, China. Long, long ago, in faraway China, there lived an archer called Chen Yaozi. He was a very skilled archer and could perform wonderful feats of archery. So Chen Yaozi, he was an archer and he was very good at archery. Now what does skilled mean? Skilled means experience, good at something. Chen Yaozi was very good at archery. Archer is someone who shoots arrows from a bow. And feats means achievements that require a lot of skill, strength, etc. So archery requires a lot of skill and strength. So Chen Yaozi could hit the target precisely at the center even when it was placed at a very long distance. So even if the target was placed at a very long distance, he could hit the target exactly in between. Exactly. Here for exactly the word is given precisely. Precisely means exactly. He liked to show off his skill to the admiring crowds that gathered around him. So whenever Chen Yaozi would go out to shoot from his bow and arrow, a lot of people used to gather around him. One day, he was practicing his skill in front of many admirers when he noticed an old man standing at the back. The man was carrying gourds of oil that were hanging from a long cane on his shoulder. One day, when he was practicing archery, he saw that among the crowds of people there was an old man and he was standing there with gourds of oil. Now, what is gourds? Gourds are containers made from dried large fruit with a hard skin. Like jackfruits, how jackfruits have a hard skin, in the same way, the containers which are prepared from dried fruit, the skin of dried fruit, are called as gourds, and those gourds contained oil. All the other people were clapping their hands and praising Chen Yaozi, but this old man was quiet. He neither clapped nor uttered words of praise. So when Chen Yaozi hit the target exactly in between, all the people used to praise him and they started clapping. But this old man was just standing there. He just nodded his head and he did not give any expression. He never uttered any word. Uttered means give, to give audible expression to, or said. He just stood there nodding his head and said, "It's just a matter of practice." To nod means to shake. So the old man was just standing in the crowd shaking his head. Chen Yaozi was annoyed. "Are you an archer yourself? Do you think anyone can do what I can do with my bow and arrows?" "No, sir," the old man replied. "I am not an archer, and I don't doubt your skill. All I said was, everything's a matter of practice." So Chen Yaozi was very much annoyed because the old man said it's just a matter of practice and he did not praise Chen Yaozi for his skill. So Chen Yaozi said that, "Do you think it's just for fun and anyone can do it?" So the old man replied, "No, not everyone can do it and I don't doubt your skill. Whatever you have done, it requires a lot of practice. And what I mean to say is everyone can be successful at something if they practice the skill enough." Chen Yaozi became very angry. "What do you know that you can pass such thoughtless comments on other people? Who are you?" Thoughtless comments means a statement made without thinking. So Chen Yaozi thought that the old man was saying that it's just a matter of practice without thinking anything and it was just a thoughtless comment. So now the old man said to Chen Yaozi, he saw that Chen Yaozi was getting very angry and annoyed. So the old man replied, "Please don't get angry, sir. I am an oil seller, as you must have guessed from my gods." Guessed means to form an estimate. Over the years, I have achieved some skill in filling the gourds. If you allow, I'll show it to you. Hmm, growled Chen Yaozi. Everybody was curious to see what would happen next. Growled means to make a low, rough sound, usually in anger. Patiently, the old man set down an empty gourd on the ground. Then he put a small coin on the mouth of the gourd. In those days, small coins had a little hole at the center. Then the old man stood up, took some oil in his ladle, and began to pour oil into the gourd from a height. So, what the old man did, he emptied his gourd on the ground and he took out a small coin from his pocket. Now, in olden days in China, the coins used to have a small hole in between. Those coins used to be very different from the coins that we have today. Now, your ladle means a long handled spoon having a deep bowl for serving liquids. So, this is a ladle as you can see in the picture. The oil went straight into the gourd through the hole in the coin. When the old man had finished filling up the gourd, he lifted up the coin. So, the old man had placed a coin on the mouth of the gourd and he poured oil into the gourd. So, now what happened when he lifted the coin from the gourd? Not a trace, not even a single drop of oil could be seen on the coin. So, what this means? That through that small hole in the coin, the oil went straight into the gourd. Not even a single drop of oil was spilled. The people watching it were speechless with wonder. So, all the people watching this were very surprised and speechless. Speechless means unable to speak due to surprise or wonder. But the old man only smiled. As I said, there's nothing special about it. It's only a matter of practice, you see. Chen Yaozi lost all his anger and annoyance. He just gave a short laugh and said, "You have taught me something very important today." After that, Chen Yaozi never showed off or boasted about his skill as an archer. So that day, the old man taught him that all the skills, any skill can be acquired through practice. May it be drawing, dancing, anything that you want, children, in life, you can acquire it, you can get it through practice. So, the moral of the story is practice makes man perfect, and also we should be very humble. So, I hope that you have enjoyed our today's story. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.